So today we're going to review product B00002N6MK. It's the Fluidmaster 242 toilet fill valve seal replacement. So the product we are looking at today is this little seal. This seal is called the Fluidmaster toilet fill valve seal. It is called a 242 is actually the number on it, and this seal will actually work in a 200, a 400, and a 747 model. And how this works is it goes inside of this fill valve right here, and it actually resides in the top of this blue cap. And this little seal will actually help this thing function and push water into your tank. So if your tank is running, you're having all kinds of issues with it filling correctly, generally it's going to be in this little seal. So how you get this seal inside of here, though, is pretty simple. Most DIYers can do this in a matter of seconds. If this fill valve is still in the back of your tank and there's water in it, it's going to be holding the float up, which is what it needs to be to get this open. If it is not, be sure that you raise the float up just like that, and then this blue top is going to open almost like a medicine bottle. You are going to use your palm, push down, and turn, and it just pops right off. It's very simple. This is the actual seal that we're replacing right here. There is a little pin in here, so you want to be sure you don't bend that pin, but you will take that old one off, take your new one, and you are going to put it back in nice and gentle, making sure that you do not bend that pin. Now, you will take it back over here, holding your float up, push down, and turn. It's that simple, and it's back in. So there you go, guys. In a matter of seconds, you can actually put the Fluidmaster 242 seal inside of your fill valve. It's very simple. A DIYer can learn to do it in a matter of seconds. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I would give it 5 stars because of the simplicity and the speed that you can actually put this product in.